I'll just stand back from a very large shrubbery and you can see what we're up against. And this is a garden that's been left some time, and as I pan round you can see another shrub bed there. Where you can see, look, I mean they're 10, 12 foot high. So this is what we've been doing. We've been pruning what you could rather heavily. This is a berberis, you can see. There's a berberis there. That's Park Jewel. There's another berberis here. You can see by the yellow stems and how we've left some of the top growth to see what happens. There's some Philadelphus along the front. And if you look at this general look across here, you'll see that it has been pruned heavily. And what I'll be doing is coming back to this shrubbery and showing you exactly what it looks like in spring and how you can be really harsh to shrubs. These shrubs in this bed, I'm not kidding you, were 9 foot high. They really were. And we've cut them down to roughly 3 to 3.5 feet high. Hard pruning at this time of the year will not hurt the average shrub. And when you've got an overgrown garden to deal with, like this one, this is what I would suggest you do. Hard prune, keep it tidy, and then the weeds will come up like mad, and then it's a thorough job going through, keeping them all tidy and clear of weed. Don't forget, there's more gardening tips on World Radio Gardening. Just check us out. And if you've got a question for us, drop us a line to post@worldradiogardening.com.